many of you have seen those storms move through tonight. This is video from I-95 in Augusta, a little after 4 o'clock this afternoon. Chelsea sent this in to us and said there was rain and pea-sized hail. She said she saw motorcycles pulling under the overpass just to take some shelter from this.
Good idea at that. Jason Nappy is in for Keith Carson. You've been tracking kind of these pockets of downpours around the state this evening.
Yeah, the sun came out early and that primed the atmosphere, and now it's releasing all the energy right down to the ground and not making the strawberries very happy, but you know, it is what it is to start the weekend. How about a look outdoors? In Bangor now is seeing the cells that came up from Augusta. So that's why you see the headlights are on there, where the rain is pushing in from the south. Scattered showers and thunderstorms tonight. A total washout tomorrow. More than 1 inch is coming. Not good at all for the weekend activities. Clearing Sunday afternoon. Still cool, but at least we'll dry things out. That's a huge plus. Temperatures currently 60s and 70s. You can see it's warmer here down east, mid 70s, because they have not gotten the rain just yet. It's humid everywhere, especially south of the mountains, south of the North Woods, where you have these colors in the uncomfortable range. That's a 60-plus dew point popping up. How about flash flood warning going on Franklin County until 6:45 from the earlier rain they had there. Now have cleared out. A light shower activity south of Kennebunk, north of Portland around Yarmouth. You see that here heading up 201 south of Lewiston, Auburn. Here is the heavy rain now pushing into east of Farmington, Waterville, up towards Troy. That's where the lightning is. Western mountains starting to dry out just a little bit where that flash flood warning was. And now up around Bangor, getting into heavy rain. Watch out for those torrential downpours. The hail tracker here, I'm going to pogo jump in and show you where it picked up right just west of Augusta. You see that here, Central Street, where that bullseye from the video that you saw. Thank you, Chelsea, for sending that in. Thunderstorms fade tonight, but that's going to transition from low pressure spinning and then hooking back into this storm off the coast of Virginia as the primary storm into the weekend. So this evening, showers and thunderstorms into the overnight. That's just basically an appetizer to get us ready for this Saturday morning. Here comes the rain from that Maine dominant primary low. It's going to wrap that moisture in. Very similar to a very weak nor'easter, but there's that northeasterly breeze kicking up Saturday during the day, and it's an all-day washout. You might as well just cancel things now if you have stuff outdoors tomorrow. Seas at 2 to 3 feet, wind going east and northeast, and then into Saturday, that rain is there. All-day washout. Sunday, rain early, late drying. So there is some good news to the next 3 days. And then Monday, we dry out, except for a shower, but we have temperatures getting up only the 60s near 70. Things change dramatically next week. We go from clouds to sun to 80s to 90s. Yes, even on Thursday and to Friday. At the coast, we are all locked in. This is about as cold, as damp, as wet as it can be in Maine for mid-June. And then we're going to flip the switch next week.
One last hurrah to spring and
yes.
then right into summer. All right, Jason, thanks so much. We'll be right back.